Welcome to my channel Smart Study. Today I will teach you about action verb. What is an action verb? Action verbs are words that express physical or mental actions or something that a person, animal or thing can do. Here are few examples of action verb. Run, clean, dance, walk, cry, crawl, fight, laugh, write, listen, read, write. Examples with sentence. Jump. The little boy gave his pears and jumped into bed. Eat. Eat to live, but not live to eat. Paint. A good face needs no paint. Dive. You dive in first and test the temperature of the water. Here, jump, eat, paint, dive are action verbs. Turn off. You forgot to turn off the light. Win. You win some, you lose some. Dig. I'm going to dig down this wall. Clap. When I clap my hands, you must stand still, said the teacher. Here, turn off, win, dig, clap, all are action verbs. Fly. Don't fly till your wings are feather. Cut. She cut the paper into small pieces. Close. Can you close the window? I am in a drought. Open. Open not your door when the devil knocks. Hope you understand action verbs. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.